Bitcoin becoming the #1 attraction of the new generation. Everyone started to invest or mine in Bitcoins. However, it is not so easy, and now its value has also started to decline. So no one can tell that the value of Bitcoin will increase or decrease in future. So in this video of infomakerify, we are going to find the answers of most asked questions. So let's start. Number 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, without a central bank or single administrator, that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began use in 2009, when its implementation was released as open-source software. Number 2. How was Bitcoin created? Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services, but the real-world value of the coins is extremely volatile. Research produced by the University of Cambridge estimated that in 2017, there were 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. Users choose to participate in the digital currency for a number of reasons: ideologies such as commitment to anarchism, decentralization and libertarianism, convenience, using the currency as an investment, and pseudonymity of transactions. Increased use has led to a desire among governments for regulation in order to tax, facilitate legal use in trade, and for other reasons, such as investigations for money laundering and price manipulation. Number 3. Why was Bitcoin criticized? Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, the large amount of electricity, and thus carbon footprint, used by mining, price volatility, and thefts from exchanges. Some economists and commentators have characterized it as a speculative bubble at various times. Bitcoin has also been used as an investment, although several regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. The word Bitcoin was defined in a white paper published on October 31, 2008. It is a compound of the words bit and coin. No uniform convention for Bitcoin. Capitalization exists. Some sources use Bitcoin, capitalized, to refer to the technology and network in Bitcoin, for the unit of account. The Wall Street Journal, the Chronicle of Higher Education, and the Oxford English Dictionary advocate the use of lowercase Bitcoin in all cases. Number 4. What determines Bitcoin's price? Unlike investing in traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not issued by a central bank or backed by a government. Therefore, the monetary policy, inflation rates, and economic growth measurements that typically influence the value of currency do not apply to Bitcoin. Contrarily, Bitcoin prices are influenced by the supply of Bitcoin and the market's demand for it. The cost of producing a Bitcoin through the mining process. The rewards issued to Bitcoin miners for verifying transactions to the blockchain. The number of competing cryptocurrencies. The exchanges it trades on, regulations governing its sale, its internal governance. Number 5. Regulations and legal matters. The rapid rise in the popularity of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has caused regulators to debate how to classify such digital assets. While the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, classifies cryptocurrencies as securities, the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, considers Bitcoin to be a commodity. This confusion over which regulator will set the rules for cryptocurrencies has created uncertainty despite the surging market capitalizations. Furthermore, the market has witnessed the rollout of many financial products that use Bitcoin as an underlying asset, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, futures, and other derivatives. This can impact prices in two ways. First, it provides Bitcoin access to investors who cannot afford to purchase an actual Bitcoin, thus increasing demand. Second, it can reduce price volatility by allowing institutional investors who believe Bitcoin futures are overvalued or undervalued, to use their substantial resources to make bets that Bitcoin's price will move in the opposite direction. Number 6. Is it worth investing in Bitcoin? Bitcoins are too risky an investment. Its prices go up and down every day. Bitcoin is volatile in nature. But if you plan to invest in Bitcoin, do proper research about performance. Invest that time when the prices of one Bitcoin are low. Behind concepts, you can buy more Bitcoin at less cost. But right now the situation is that the worth of one Bitcoin is $36,594.50 US. This is too much money. The risk factor is another matter in this investment. In my opinion, it is not going to be worth an investment in Bitcoin in 2022. The reason is that Bitcoin prices are much higher and have lots of risks. No one knows what will happen next. The best thing you can do is invest in other cryptocurrencies which have low worth and perform better, such as Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum. These cryptocurrency performing very well right now. Or another big factor is that these cryptocurrencies worth are low. Number 7. Will Bitcoin ever die? Bitcoin is digital gold. It takes a lot of hard work to create. We know Bitcoin is unstable, but it is continuously growing. Its market may touch a $7.5 trillion market cap according to the Bitcoin price. That means Bitcoin has never gone die according to the prediction that its market will grow continuously. In the future, many countries may accept Bitcoin as payment. That we can say never die, it grows. Number 8. Who owns the most Bitcoin? According to a published article on currency, Satoshi Nakamoto, inventor of Bitcoin, he is on the top list of cryptocurrency investors. The researcher said he has 1.1 million Bitcoin which spreads across multiple wallets. Bitcoin works as an asset for Satoshi Nakamoto. 1.1 million Bitcoin worth over $10 billion. This is a lot of money. Also, he is a top investor of Bitcoin. And he has most of Bitcoin, so that's it. If you enjoy this video, give us a good thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon, never miss an update. This is infomakerify and I will catch you in next one.